Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimensions 224 into 708 into 69.5 mm and 56.7 into 32.5 into 1.8 inch. Weight 35.8 kg and 41.59 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm and 300 into 200 mm. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe and attached 1.0 USA DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: anti-reflective filter pro, game bar 2.0, motion accelerator 120 and OLED Evo OLED EX, brightness booster, game optimizer dashboard. Part 2 Display. Display type QLED LED backlight LCD and OLED AMOLED. Screen size 55, 65, 75 inch Europe and 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA and Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Pixel density 52 ppi and 53 ppi. Display colors 1070 million. Bit depth 10 bit. Brightness 450 nits and 1500 nits. Contrast ratio 5000:1 and 6000:1. Response time 6.5 millisecond and 0.1 millisecond. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision and HDR10 Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. Video processor AIPQ 3.0 Alpha 9 to 7. High gig, yes. Part 3 Connectivity. Number of HDMI 3 into HDMI 2.1 and 4 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 1 into USB A and 2 into USB A. RJ45 ports 1 into RJ45. Wi-Fi 5 800 2.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.0. Part 4 Features. TV platform Google TV and Web OS. Version at launch 12 and 24. OS updates yes. Chromecast yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Voice commands yes. Use browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Netflix, YouTube. Part 5 Audio. Speakers 2.1 50 watt and 2.2 14 watt. Audio output power 2 into 15 watt and 4 into 10 watt. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby Audio yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Detached Audio yes. Detached Digital Surround yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer no and yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.